yeah, dude. Yeah, I can see him in there freaking flashing and stuff. Let me grab your, hold onto your leg or something. It's the big one. It's dogging me. Oh my God. I can't tell, but it's just rip and drag. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of high river fishing. I'm going to the dam, and I'm going to be trying to catch some hybrid striped bass. Now, I don't fish for these things that often, not as much as I would like to anyway. These things fight. They fight really freaking hard, especially in current, especially around those big gates and stuff at the dam. They fight really freaking hard, and they are a lot of fun. From what I've seen from some other people fishing the dams, they should be in right now, and it's only going to get better for the next couple months, so probably going to be targeting these guys a little more than usual. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. Stay tuned. Hey, biting? Couple smallies.
Yeah, he caught two smallies that caught that hybrid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a nice one.
He's right in him. Oh, shit. So I might be putting on exactly what you got on.
Yeah.
They're still going nuts in there. Jesus, man. What you got? What we got going on here with this net? Why is this net doing this? Why is it doing this? Yeah, I'm trying. Oh no. Oh no. Oh God.
Lift your net.
Ah, son of a bitch.
Is he actually?
Yeah. The other hook is. That's kind of my fault. We need to get a rock in that though, because it just wasn't. The net wasn't sinking right. Son of a bitch. My bad, dude. Alright, I'm losing my mind.
What?
I'm losing my mind.
Go try somewhere else.
Just looking at it now, I'm just gonna try something else on. I don't know. Look at all this damn fish in there, it's crazy. Got some little jigs with me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. That's a good one. Literally, like right before yours, one did that to me. I can see him in there freaking flashing and stuff. I'm like right in him. I'm all on the shit. Oh no. Oh, I got one. Shit.
Yeah.
went under the log and it just grabbed it.
Yep.
Little white bass, I think.
Looks like white bass. Yep.
Oh my God, I caught something. Been out here struggling. There's so many fish down there. It's so frustrating. Finally got a little white bass. There's some really big hybrids in there. Want to use them as catfish bait, Tommy? Tiny little thing. Later, bro. Oh my God, finally.
For like 10 minutes of shutting off and restarting.
I think mine's a little white bass.
This was on the white bass. You don't want to do.
Doubles. I think I can get him. I might lose him.
I do want to if you don't. No limit on it.
Oh, that's a little better one though. You got a big one on. It's a decent white bass, not huge. You want to eat him?
Yeah, you don't.
He's like he's just big enough, really.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'll eat them. 5-6 pounder.
Yeah, I mean it's easy 5. You got the touch, dude.
Yeah.
This is some sketchy stuff. Let me grab your, hold onto your leg or something. Oh my God, you're a hero. You good? Dude, that's some sketchy stuff, man.
Good.
I was trying to unravel it with the pole, so it wasn't on there too bad.
The bobber went around twice.
Yeah, well, it was around more than that, and I was flipping it.
Yeah.
And then I thought I was making it worse. Shit, man.
You got it?
You're brave, bro. That's what he said. He's like, you can reach it. I was like, I ain't reaching out there. My ass will fall. That's like pretty much definite death, too.
That's a nice.
Yep. It's the big one. Just dogging me. Just dogging me in that current.
That's a good one there. Appreciate the help. Oh yeah. Yeah, net's gotta go down more. Man. Oh, he does not want to go in there. It's on the damn, almost too big. Yes. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
No problem. About a good 70 pounds.
Yeah, that's one of the bigger ones I've caught here in a while. Oh, hell yeah.
There you go, man.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Pretty good, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That thing's bigger than I thought. That's bigger than I thought, bro.
That's right. You gotta get a picture of that.
Oh, for sure. That's long. Hell yeah. Tell you what, he fought like crazy. Once he got that current, he just stopped.
Yeah. That's a nice fish.
Oh, he's long.
Heck yeah.
A little skinny though. That's the biggest striper. That's been a while I caught a hybrid that big.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hell yeah. Finally a good one. Not a bad fish. Long. There you go. There he goes. Cool. Woohoo!
Yeah, you got the big suckers. Look how green they are, man. Only they're a little lighter.
He's super. This one's super green. Oh my God, he's right there. I'm trying. He's like almost too big because of how we got the line spaced. You can get his head in there. Yeah. Oh, he's heavy. He's a lot heavier than that other one. The one that I just netted. Oh yeah, dude. That's a fat. He's fat, bro.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's a stud. That is a stud. He's big. He got bigger coming up. Like
Yeah.
usually they look bigger down there.
That's a big one. That's nice.
That's every bit as long as mine and way fatter.
Yeah, that's way fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That is a fatty.
Nice shot. Nice job.
Dude, you're just slaying.
Slaying them.
Alright guys, so I didn't really explain much of anything in this video of like how we were catching them and stuff, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, but I still should have probably talked about what we were doing a little bit. I just didn't have a lot of time. I was only there for about 2 hours, so it was pretty good 2 hours. Anyway, so what was going on is those fish were like just blitzing, just rushing the gates right there. And you could just see them, and they're just hitting surface and stuff, and you could see them flashing right below the surface, and they were targeting like super, super small minnows. So small, like tiny little things. Only way we could catch them was basically like with crappie jigs, little crappie tubes, or just anything really small, anything that looked like a little bait fish. And we were doing like a 2 rig, like a double rig. So we would tie 2 crappie jigs to one line, and then we'd keep them about 10 inches apart probably, and then we'd have about 2 feet of line out, and then we'd have a bobber, and that float would keep them kind of on the surface, close to the surface, and that's how we were catching those fish. And that was the only way we could catch those fish. I tried throwing some other stuff, and they wanted absolutely nothing to do with it. Only way we could catch them was with the float, the 2 little crappie jigs. It was a freaking blast. I love catching stripers that way. It's kind of tough. It's difficult because you got to net them, and the only way you can land them is if you have a net that you drop all the way down and like tie the rope off to the wall somewhere, or you can throw the rod down to a buddy, which I did in another video with Robert Field. That was pretty crazy because we forgot the net. But yeah, it's just exciting, and there's some really big fish in there. We caught some good fish, 5, 6, 7 pounders. Nothing giant, but we caught some really good fish, and anytime I catch one of those over like 5 pounds, I'm stoked. So it's been a while since I caught a good hybrid, like a hybrid striped bass, that is. There's 20 pounders down there, so I'm probably gonna be targeting these quite a bit over the next couple months because it's just going to keep getting better and they're going to start getting easier to catch. They're all trying to put the feed bags on for the winter here soon. You know, not yet. It's still technically summer. It's the end of August, but here in a couple weeks, you know, stuff's going to start to cool down and they're going to start thinking about really feeding. And they're already in there pretty thick, so I am super excited for that. But yeah, I just wanted to explain a little bit of what was going on, how we were catching those fish. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.